Today we're going to be taking our black raspberries and we're going to run them through our juicer. The reason why we do that is because it will literally separate the seeds from the juice, and then I can use that juice to make jelly, or I freeze dry it and use the powder to make black raspberry ice cream, and it is delicious. So we just wanted to run this past you quickly just so you can see what a great job the juicer does in separating the seed. I know that when you're making jelly, it can be a tedious task to get those seeds separated from the meat. Todd, do you want to talk a little bit about what you do?
We're using the Solo Star juicer. It comes up with this little adapter from the front to run the juice through. I'm going to stick that in at first, and once it gets going, the berries will start squirting out. It'll be real runny. And once it starts drying up, you want to take this off, this adapter off, and then you can start running the berries through it. We'll show you how it's done.
Starting to dry up. We'll let it get a little bit more drier before we take this end piece off. I usually shut it off. You can see how dry that gets. It starts out runny. You can rejuice it if you want. And just keep feeding it. Keep it full so it don't get wet again.
You can see how dry that got. It's nothing but seeds. Chickens love it. And you got nothing but juice. Would you like to pour that in a bowl?
Gotta. Great for making jelly.
Nothing but juice. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.